Hey guys, welcome to LargeScale Rc. This is Malik. I have completed my RR5 MAX Ultimate chassis. As you can see, I painted it all red and the decals that came with the car. Also, I put the hood scoop and the side details, and then the spoiler. Also got the mud guards, BONEHEAD RC. So you can see it looks complete. Just the tires needs to be glued, that's all. I do have bubbles, air bubbles right here. I'll take them out with my heat gun. I don't have it in my house at this moment. It's in my hobby room. But right now it's completed with all the engine and other parts that needed to be installed. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.